PTS Primo Chart hacks. This one's going to be on today's market action. Hover over today's market action icon. Takes you right over to the screen. You can do a quick view of what happened today in all the different markets, different indexes. You can sort. Just select each particular index and you're going to see the chart pop up on the right. Here you can see the biggest movers per index. Helps identify some stocks that might be, not only getting crushed, but maybe some big movers in a down market. And down at the bottom, you've got some hot buttons here. You can jump over to some of the other features here on the platform, such as Industry Action Scanner, the PTS Strong Stock Rank Analyzer, some of the different strategy scans, and some other custom strategies where you can build your own custom strategies and add them here. From here, we want to go ahead and jump over to the Industry Strength Ranker. We can go ahead and check all buttons and hit scan. It's going to bring up all 149 of the different industries in all sectors. You can sort by sector if you like, or you can just go ahead by sort by percentage change, average rank. You can do the rank by over the last year. In this example, thermal coal is number 1, followed by oil and gas drilling. Copper's up here in the top 10, agricultural inputs. And you can also see the weakest, consumer cyclical for internet retailers, 149. Solar, way down on the list. Biotech, pharmaceutical retailers. A lot of the stock sectors and industries that were doing great during COVID have sold off, reversed, and given back some profits. You can also sort by the different ranks for the past 100 days, 50 days, the past day. You can see which one's jumping up, which one's jumping down, 5 days, etc. Now, if you do find something that's interesting to you, for example, if you want to go down to consumer defensive grocery stores, all you have to do is double click and it's going to bring up all the stocks within that industry. In this case, looks like we had 9 come up. You can also sort. This looks like an outlier here, which is skewing the entire index. So we'll exit out of this and go back. We can go ahead and click on, let's say, oil and gas drilling. Got the year-to-date change. You can sort over here. Month-to-date change. If it's above or below the buy-sell line. So also the rank. They rank all stocks between 1 and 100. So we can go ahead and double-click here. It's going to pull up a chart. And you can view the chart that way. You can select your view. Side by side, and go back here. We can link the charts. Again, you can just click one by one. Oh, this is a scanner, so we want to click the S for scanner, blue and blue. Now you can just go ahead and sort through all the charts in the index and the industry. Apply any of your strategies to it. Apply the buy-sell line, whatever you like. Just do all that here. Let's check one more. This has 66 symbols in it. Energy, oil and gas. Maybe we find something a little more interesting here. Again, you can sort by above or below the buy-sell line. Week change. Some of these had some really big weeks. Month-to-day change. Some of these are new highs. You can also click the percent it's off the low and percent it's off the lows or below the high. For example, this one's 158% off the 52-week low, and only about 1.9% off the high. So let's look at that one. Now this is not a indication to just jump out and buy or sell, but something you can add to your watch list. You can go ahead and just click this like stock right here, and it's going to add it to your favorite stocks portfolio. You can also create your own portfolio watch list here, as you know. But if you just want to click a bunch of these, maybe add a few stocks from this particular industry to watch. Go back, and you can go back and review these later. All right, stay tuned for our next PTS Primo Chart trading hacks. This is part 1.